Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to introduce my favorite new add-on, and it just released, called Global Skin. It is just an unbelievable next level skin texture add-on, and you just use one click and you can create a skin just like this. It is a very high detail skin texture. And then the character is the one that I built using human generator. So this add-on, Global Skin add-on, it support Dash 3D and the human generator and the meta-human and the character creator. Support basically every mainstream character platform. So I put the Global Skin add-on and also the human generator add-ons link on the description, so you can go Blender Market to get it. And by the way, the eyes texture is not including. It's the improved version of the human generator's eyes. If you want this, you can go to my Patreon to download this. Yeah, so let's dive in. So this is the final result after I apply the global skin, and you can see it's very beautiful and a lot of detail. And let's take a look more detail. This skin texture is way better than the default human generator skin, like a big jump for your creation. Let's see the body. So this is the character that I have not applied this global skin, only using human generator default skin, which is not bad, but if you just want to go to the next top tier level for the realism, just using the global skin add-on. After you download it, depend on your character, Dash 3D or character creator, or the human generator or meta human. That's just using human generator, this one, and pick on your character and you just hit apply, and it will take a little bit to compile. And okay, so now it is being applied, but right away we have a lot of detail that we want to tweak, so make a better result for that. And then now let's hide the hair first. Yeah, so it's so easy and so fast. So you will see the material will be having like blue note, and this one is for the bump for your skin, and this is the makeup, and this is the main skin shader. Right now I can just mute this first because I'm not going to use makeup. It has a lot of setting that we can do about it. So there's like 5 different skin type. So this is the first skin. Personally, I feel it is more like white people or Caucasian because it got a very deep dark area over here. But my character is more like an Asian, so it's not best to use this. Let's switch to the second one. So the second one, it do looks more like an Asian, but actually I can mix like a little bit. I only use like a 50 of this, and I will like to leave on for some of the first one because I think the first one is really good. It really got a lot of depth on the detail, so I can mix 2 skin type. And then let's see the third one. So the third one is similar to the second one. The fourth one is for men, rough and beard. Fifth one, darker skin, so you can change the saturation to make it even darker for your character. Every skin have a different detail, independent and different, so let's play with it a little bit. Do the skin that is mixed between second and the first one. So there's something I will do first is to turn down this AO, because if you see the lips, the AO for my personal taste is applied too strong, so I will make it like this goes to white, so it will not affect that. The face looks cleaner. Can change the hue, yellower, and saturation. You see the nose is really red. The default setting is like that. It's this nose tone. So just bring it to be like a lighter, not totally red. Same for all the different parts. You can change all the detailed tone, like the lips. Now let's talk about some effect. Because now the face is very clean, and we want some freckles that we can do it from here. Okay, and some other imperfection of the skin, and it even have this, I don't know how to say it, but this kind of skin is very cool and interesting. And then there is some different effect, like this is like a splash, but for this I really felt it will drag computer, the tweaking a little bit slow, especially if you are click on this view shader, which is Eevee, and it will drag your viewport really down. Personally, I will like to go into the node and I will mute that thing that I don't really need. So I don't need this splash. I will try to mute this, and also I will mute the other skin texture that I'm not going to use. Okay, so I think if you do this, your viewport will be faster. Makeup, if you are not going to use makeup, you can just mute it. Now let's turn on this. Let's quick choke the makeup. Yeah, so with all the correct setting that you tweak, you can get a very beautiful result for using this add-on. So you can just go download this. I think it's the best skin shader add-on for the Blender, and we'll put the link to the Blender Market on the description so you can go grab it. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.